Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Behind me is a cool truck. Why? Right there. Actually, a few reasons, but anywho, Mega Cab. Guys, check it out. This is a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 5.9 liter SLT 4x4 Mega Cab. Cummins 5.9 Mega Cab. We got Fox shock. Well, so first off the rip, it's got a Compustar alarm system, self-locking. You can log on to this app right there, car connected or whatever, to activate it. There's the key tag code right there. Unlock, lock, locks it. You can be like 10, 20, 30 million miles away and unlock it. Anywho, awesome setup. Brand new headlights. Brand new Recon cab lights, Fox shock suspension lift, I'm sorry, Fox shocks right here. I want to say it's a rough country suspension lift kit system. Yeah, rough country. So, upgraded front shocks, Fox shocks, sway bar links, dual steering stabilizer shocks right here. Okay, a little bit of rust. It's a Virginia truck. You're gonna expect that. You have to. So, anywho, this is the undercarriage right there. Nothing like crazy compromising, but you know, local Virginia truck here. So, on with the show. With that said, super nice exterior paint. It's like a slate gray, beautiful paint. We got aftermarket black housing headlights, absolutely gorgeous. Right here, NOCO. And this is a block heater, so mounted on the bumper. All you gotta do is plug it in. There's your power supply right there. Instead of reaching in here and cutting your hands up, mount it straight to the bumper. Winter time, you plug it in. What does it do? Block heater. Heats the truck up for you and everything. So when you start it up, it's nice and warm and it starts up with no problem at all, instead of spraying ether and everything else in it when it's like below zero, like crazy weather. Anyways, we're in Virginia. We don't have to do it that often. Anywho, the Mega Cab is an iconic truck. Super iconic. It's got the extra foot or whatever the measurements are in the back right here. And as you can see, I've already reclined the seats for you so you can see it, but there is huge amount of space back here, guys. You can fold it down like this, watch. And it turns into, you can fit a damn twin-size mattress back there. You can legitly camp out in the back of your truck. Storage for AR-15s, massive amounts of ammo, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, condoms, whatever you want to put back there. It's your choice, it really is. Let me fold back down the seat real quick so you can see. Put this down. Super spacious, to say the least. And it's just, I mean, look, you can sit back here. I'm 6 foot tall and I'm straight reclining. And I have plenty of room to spread out. I mean, my feet are this foot's fully extended. This one's almost fully extended. It's just crazy. So on with that, we got a set of, let's look at the wheel setup right here. Okay, so they're BFGOODRICH all-terrain TA tires. They're 35, 12, 50, 18, wrapped around ATX Series 18 by 10 wheel. Upgraded brand new brakes and rotors on both sides right here. Full 4-inch exhaust, MBRP exhaust system with a muffler right there. There you go. There's the frame, muffler. The truck runs and drives phenomenal. Runs and drives great, no issues. Current tow or a receiver right there. Upgraded class 2, class 3, whatever the hell it is, I don't know. Kind of tinted housing headlight or taillights. Brand new tires. Like I said, the tires are fairly new. Nipples are still on them. Airbags. Used to have an airbag system on it. I'm not sure if that still works. I don't think so. But anywho, the top of the truck, inside the bed line, it's got a little mat right there. You can put whatever the hell you want down on it. Roof, no sunroof. Flip up the mat. There it is right there. So nice little bed mat. NFAB triple step rails right there. And the Mega Cab is just, you can't stop looking at it. You go in the driveway and you're just gonna be like, damn, I got a Mega Cab. So nice. Carpet's in good shape, seats are in good shape, small little blemish right there, but who really cares? Cummins Ram 2500, the mirrors fold this way or that way, whatever the hell you want to do, and it's clean, it looks good. Tow mirrors, you can flip them out if you're towing something. Four-wheel drive works good. The headline is clean. The seats are in good shape. Power seats, WeatherTech floor mats, 147,912 maintained miles. Power windows, power locks, wood grain. Climbing right here, you get this little, so it's like an extension. My buddy put this in, good buddy of mine. It's cool, a cool option wherever you bought that at, but it mounts there, gives you extra space, another set of cup holders, and you can flip this up to a third row seat in the center of the console. Put your boys, your girls, whatever. Cup holder there, heated seats he installed, both sides, four-wheel drive, Pioneer CarPlay, Apple CarPlay sound system, double DIN radio. And that works great. You get your overhead mileage and temperature and whatnot. We'll check the power plant in a second. Let's go. Boom. Gauges. Check it out. Bluetooth works great too right there. There's the microphone. This is for the Compustar, I believe, system. Trans temp. Pyro meter. Measure the exhaust temperature. Boost. Measure how much boost you're boosting. All by Autometer. And this is your auxiliary for your iPhone, plug in whenever you want. Factory booklet right there. Here's your inspection. Straight from the local Dodge dealership. Passed with flying colors. Had to fix, I think, a thing or two, but nothing major, which is awesome. There's the VIN number right there if you guys want to see it. Zoom camera. Zoom camera. There you go, right there. And lastly, let's check the engine. 5.9 liter iconic engine. They don't make any more. There it is. You got aftermarket exhaust manifolds on this truck. I'm sorry, aftermarket exhaust manifold. There's probably some other components I'm forgetting to name. K&N cold air filter system. Camera's not zooming for some reason. There's your manifold. Aftermarket exhaust manifold right there. K&N cold air filter system. Spacer kit right there. Everything seems to be up to par and good. The truck runs and drives great. So there you have it. I hope you guys like it. Hope you like the video. This is Mark signing out. If you have any questions, check out the video or visit www.superiorwholesale.org or call 540-898-3025. That's 540-898-3025 or visit www.superiorwholesale.org. And always don't forget to visit and spread the link. youtube.com/what's up, it's Mark. No apostrophes, spaces, or nothing. See you guys later. I'm out.